very interesting year. I mean, for the company, we're doing incredibly well.
In 2018, AstraZeneca broke out China separately for the first time in its earnings. Sales were $3.8 billion. And this year, first half sales hit $2.4 billion, making AstraZeneca the second largest foreign drug maker in China.
China is now about 17% of your annual sales total. Where do you see it going forward?
It's almost 20% actually, and I think it will continue increasing, and there is no reason why it couldn't be 25–30% of our total sales. And in fact, the challenge for our team today is to really become as big as the US. And as you know, Chinese people are very competitive. Our team is incredibly competitive. We have a fantastic team. And their goal is really to catch up with our US colleagues.
China's innovative drug approvals have sped up as part of the government's Healthy China 2030 policy. A McKinsey survey shows in the last 4 years, China progressed on all major indicators, including regulations, talent, and funding. That's why many global biopharmaceutical firms are expanding in China. Japan's Takeda relocated its Asia Development Center to Shanghai. Sanofi is building an emerging market business unit in China. In May, Pfizer launched the global headquarters of its generic drug unit in Shanghai. The China growth bet is becoming more compelling.
And I think we have to evolve the way we operate as pharmaceutical companies with the emergence of digital technologies and artificial intelligence. And the reason is that having a drug is one thing, but you really also need to make sure people are diagnosed, and you need to make sure that they take their drug properly so that they are better controlled, and of course they feel better, they have a better health, but also they go less to the hospital, and they cost less money. So if you want to help patients treat their disease better, and if you want to also save money overall from a healthcare viewpoint, I think you really need to integrate digital technologies and pharmaceuticals. There are so many exciting things in our pipeline. In the last 4 months, to start with, in the last 4 months we had 12 important clinical studies reading out, very important clinical studies that are really shaping many diseases. Here in China in particular, we have a product called roxadustat for kidney disease, and we obtained approval here in China, first country in the world. It's a big change because usually China comes after US and Europe. This time China leads the world.